pandas also allows us to operate on your data frame in a vectorized and item-by-item way. What does it mean to operate on a data frame in a vectorized way? Well, first let's create a new data frame. Note that first I want to create a dictionary, where the keys are going to be my column names, and the values are series corresponding to their values, and then the indexes for the rows where those values should appear. In order to make a data frame, I can simply say df equals data frame of this dictionary D. Let's see what this data frame looks like. We can call dataframe.apply and pass in some arbitrary function, in this case numpy.mean, to perform that function on every single column in the data frame. So when we call df.apply numpy.mean, what we get back is the mean of each column in our data frame df. There are also some operations that simply cannot be vectorized in this way. That is, take a numpy array as their input, and then return an array or a value. So we can also call map on particular columns, or apply map on entire data frames. These methods also accept functions, but functions that take in a single value and return a single value. For example, if I were to type df1.map lambda x greater than or equal to 1. What I get back here is whether or not every single value in the column 1 is greater than or equal to 1. Now say that I were to call df.apply map lambda x greater than or equal to 1. What this function returns is whether or not every single value in the data frame df is greater than or equal to 1. This is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to pandas functionality. If you're interested to read more about what the library can do, you should check out the full documentation at the URL contained in the instructor notes. Now we know some of the very basics when it comes to handling the data. But how do we acquire the data that we wish to handle and analyze?